You want to talk about rogue judges? This one just tried to stop the President of the United States from defending American citizens in the middle of riots. But what happened next? It didn't go the way Gavin Newsom had planned. I'm Kyle Becker, and this is Explain America. Before we get into this, please like, comment, and share so we can break through the censorship and tell the truth. So here's the story. On Thursday, a San Francisco-based federal judge named Charles Brier issued a stunning ruling, siding with Gavin Newsom and declaring that President Trump's deployment of the National Guard to Los Angeles was, get this, illegal. He even claimed it violated the 10th Amendment. Seriously, this came after President Trump mobilized National Guard troops to assist ICE raids and also to arrest criminal aliens. That's all happened in order for Trump to put down the organized violence tearing through LA. Brier ranted that Trump exceeded the scope of his authority and even compared the president to King George. Ridiculous. But within hours, there was a massive reversal. The Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, yes, the Ninth Circus, stepped in and overruled Brier. Trump keeps control of the California National Guard under emergency powers. Now, they didn't just overturn this ruling quietly either. In a blistering rebuke, Trump's legal team warned the court that Brier's order would endanger federal officers and amounted to a gross violation of the separation of powers. That's right, a single district judge tried to override the commander-in-chief in the middle of a national security emergency. This all boils down to one thing. The left, they don't want to restore law and order. They want chaos, they want riots, or else they wouldn't be holding more protests this weekend, like these No Kings protests that are being organized by communists. Well, what these activist judges forget is simple. The Constitution gives the president the authority to act when states refuse to enforce the law. Remember the Civil Rights Movement? Remember Selma? Remember Governor George Wallace? So Donald Trump doesn't need to ask permission from Gavin Newsom or Judge Charles Brier or any of these little appointed kings that issue rulings from districts where they weren't even elected to have any say in our politics. They are there to issue rulings on cases that affect the parties that are involved. So this Judge Brier and all of these other hundreds of district court lower judges, well, they should be reined in by the Congress that issues laws under the Constitution that limits the judiciary and its scope and its jurisdictions. This isn't hard. So maybe Congress wants the chaos as well? We have to come to that conclusion unless they really start pushing this No Rogue Judges Act. And any senator who votes against that, well, they want the chaos too.